Hi, Mr. Rosais. We are Jacobo Martin and myself, Manuel Ruiz, in this presentation in a video of the final project of our project of neural networks and how it is applied in industrial engineering. We started working with the theory of the neural networks. We found a code that came up with a video that explained the whole process of making neural networks in the software of MATLAB, which is the software we work with in the university Anáhuac, because it's the only one we have. We're going to show how we made it.
And we think it is important for industrial engineering because this code of neural networks can help us to get to solutions and find a relationship between data easily and faster than human eye could. So a good program like this one of neural networks can help to find exact and precise relationship, and maybe one human studying data for years won't get to the same conclusion, and maybe the conclusion that gets the neural networks is more precise.
Correct. So we're going to explain how we do it. Alright, so there's two codes. So the first one is about propagation, of how the neural networks is going to spread, and the code of the neural network itself. So, okay, we're going to work with tables, with metrics. So, like I say in the word, we're going to work with 4 layers. The first one is the 3 entrance, then it's 12, then it's 8, and 2 for exit. So, when we're going to start working, we're going to have at first a matrix of 3 times 12. So this is the answer, the result of this matrix. 3 times 12, from 1 to 8, and then from 9 to 12, all the way from 9 to 12. All right. So if the first one is 3 times 11, the second matrix, like I'm showing right here, the second matrix would be 12 times 8. So this is the matrix, the second one we're going to have. You can see it's 12 times 8. So in this, following this order, we'll have a third matrix that will be from 8 to 2. And this is the answer, this one. So this is our third matrix. It is going to show how all the data that we put in the beginning to study is related. So how is related this data with among them? Okay. So this is how is the work, the code made. If we have the program running already. But we're going to show you this code. We ask for the metrics for the code, for the data, and in these variables is when we store this data. So what we're going to have in this program is the result or the answer of the variables that are working among them. This one are these parameters, and this is just the function. Okay.
So thank you very much for the course, Mr. Rosais, and we hope that everyone that takes this course learns more about artificial intelligence just like us.
So the neural networks we study that are really useful when using statistics. As industrial engineers, we use a lot of statistics to give predictions about some data that will help us to improve our enterprises or companies or in our work. So the AI is really useful, it's growing, it's actually growing in the world. So knowing about this subject is really useful. Thank you so much for the course.